updating your billing information on Packt is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Log in. Visit the Packt website and log into your account using a registered email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the homepage under your profile icon. Step 3. Select billing information. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled billing information or payment details. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your details. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new information, ensure you save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your updates. Now your billing information is up to date. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Packt's customer support for assistance.